Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your GMC Terrain into neutral. Modern GMC Terrains often feature an electronic precision shift system, which requires a specific procedure to engage neutral. We will cover the straightforward steps to achieve this, discuss crucial safety measures to keep in mind, and explore common situations where putting your vehicle in neutral is necessary, such as for towing or certain car wash systems. Let's get started. To put your GMC Terrain into neutral using the electronic precision shift, first ensure your vehicle is completely stopped. Next, firmly depress the brake pedal with steady pressure. Locate the gear buttons on your center console. You will find a dedicated N button for neutral. With your foot still on the brake, simply press this N button. An indicator on your instrument panel will confirm that neutral is successfully engaged, and the light on the N button will illuminate. Safety is paramount when your GMC Terrain is in neutral. Always apply the parking brake immediately after engaging neutral, especially when the vehicle is stationary. Ensure you are on a level surface to prevent unintended rolling. Never exit your vehicle without first securing it, as a vehicle in neutral can move freely. Be constantly aware of potential vehicle movement, as the transmission is disengaged from the engine, offering no resistance. Knowing when to use neutral is just as important as knowing how. This mode is primarily for specific situations, like short-distance towing or vehicle recovery. It is also necessary for certain automatic car wash systems that require the vehicle to roll freely. Additionally, service technicians may use neutral to maneuver the vehicle in a shop. Remember to avoid prolonged use of neutral while driving, as it can impact vehicle control and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.